She a good girl, but she bad, so I'm confused. Damn, fuck it, I'ma shoot.
What's up? It's your favorite bitches in the cut. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Natalie.
My name's Jasmine.
And we are your favorite bad bitches. Right now we posted up in Walmart or whatever.
Yo!
What are we getting?
Some handcuffs.
What are we doing? As you have seen by the title, we are doing a
Handcuff 24-hour challenge.
and we gonna see how this gonna go because this bitch gonna be driving. I'm gonna be just like that. So guys, we just made it back to the car after eating McDonald's, and then we have the handcuffs with us. So then we're gonna put them on, and then we're gonna be heading towards where? Let's just see where the mountains is. On the Guarache nos lleve. So we're gonna put them on. Handcuffs are on. I didn't even gonna know them hurt.
Oh, we were at Walmart, right? Because they were in the box, and the box looks cheap. I thought, like, these hoes look so fake. Like, they look so cheap, you know? And then now that we're trying them on, they feel like, ow, it hurts. But let's see how this goes, guys.
You don't want someone to love you instead? I guess I was here before all of this.
We like Tom and Jerry.
Okay guys, we're on the way over there.
So far, it's easy. Like, it's so far.
So guys, we're gonna get out to my house and we don't know how we're gonna do it. We need to take this trash too. Oh, you can.
Wait, let me get in a good position first.
Oh! Okay.
Slowly!
Wait.
I have to pee! Wait! I have to pee! Natalie, what if I have to pee? Wait!
You have to go with me.
Basically, she's just gonna drive in the little streets. I probably should have used the restroom. Because hopefully I don't pee for... What do we do?
I think we switch hands, no?
Yeah, hurry up.
Hands for hands.
Hurry up because the guy's coming.
Jasmine!
I don't know how to use it. I'm free, guys. Free me.
Hey guys, so I'm about to drive Handcuff. Let's see how this goes. But it's in the little street, so it's no biggie. Shut up.
Okay, guys. So...
Ready?
Ah!
I need to get more front, no? Oh, why is the thing still on?
Oh, good job.
Damn! I'm sorry.
Hey, somos unas gran idiotas.
Maria!
I would never imagine me doing this ever in my life. Bitch, está cabrón. I don't know why we...
Sorry.
Ow!
What?
It hurts!
Wow, you got me thinking I'm doing something wrong or something.
So right now, we're on our way to 5 and Below because we're gonna buy something. And then after that, I really don't know where we're gonna go. Right here. Right here, yeah. Because the lights are in the middle of the road. Why would we stop in the middle of the road to get out?
Stop right here. I'm gonna stop wherever you told me to stop. Now we are headed towards 5 and Below. So guys, we up in this bitch. We're trying so hard to be low key about it. We don't know how to walk close to each other. Guys, we're in the restroom. And she's putting toilet paper on it because I don't know why she puts it back there like her ass is big enough to go all the way back. She's about to do the dirty. She's about to take off that dookie. So now we're headed towards getting our chalkboard or whatever. Still handcuffed. We making it. I don't think it's as hard as we thought it was gonna be. We're doing it. We couldn't get boys to cuss us, so we did it ourselves.
Viéndonos como gran idiotas.
You in the club just to party. I'm there, I get paid to be. I be in and out the bank so much I know they tired of me. Honestly, don't come who they trying to be. Look, I might just send some bait. I might just chill with your boo